Hi everyone, my name is Tulsiram and you're watching Codon. Today we are going to unbox and review Lenovo Thinkvision T24I-20 23.8-inch Full HD monitor. Let's unbox this. The boxing experience is similar to a Mac display. When you're unboxing a Mac, you get the same feeling. Where you get a handle and you open horizontally but not vertically like smart TVs. Well, you have some paperwork, user manual and warranty. One of the great things about Lenovo display is that you have 3 years of display warranty, so keep these papers safe. You might need it next time. Next we got some power cables, display cables. This is not HDMI, so don't get confused by the 5 sides that you have on your display cables. And you have a USB type A to type B cable, which is used to connect your display ports to your laptop, so you can use your display ports as input for your laptop. Next you have a base which is solid plastic with metal at the bottom. It also comes with this handy screw to tighten it directly using your arm. Next, the stand arm is made of metal and plastic, which you can use it to scroll or increase the height or decrease the height of your display till 15 centimeters. Now to attach them, it's fairly simple. You will have a hole in the bottom of your standing arm. Use that hole and place it vertically on the base mount, keeping the shape in mind. Next, tighten the screw from the bottom using your hand and just push the clip downwards. That's all you need to do. Pretty simple. No external tools needed. Next, coming to the monitor, this is a 3-sided bezel-less display with TUV line eye protection, which means your eyes won't get strained if you're working continuously for more than 8 to 10 hours. Now let's take a look at the connectivity that they are offering in this display. We have a one HDMI 1.4 port, a display port which is 1.2, a VGA, an audio output of 3.5, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 and 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1. Now how do we mount the display to the arm? It's fairly simple. Place the display on the soft surface, use the arm and align the upper hook of the arm and the bottom hook with a clip and lock it up. Now if you want to remove the display from your arm, it's also fairly simple. You have a lock function which is at the bottom of the attachment. Now clip it upside or downside, it will attach the arm automatically. Now let's come to the tilting mechanism, which means how far can you move your display up and back, front and back. Now when it comes to front and back, you can move it till -5 degrees to 35 degrees. Left and right is still 45 degrees to -45 degrees. Now to the left you can move it maximum to 150 millimeters and pivot up to -90 degrees to 90 degrees. Now you also get a phone stand to place your phone at the bottom. Now if you want to enjoy the whole experience of multi-display setup, you need 2 of these displays and your laptop to get a 3 display setup, which looks amazing. By the way, I have this setup already and you can also see the setups. It looks pretty good. So if you are looking for a neat, like, minimalistic setup, this is a display for you. It has 3 years of warranty. It is amazing when it comes to work. I'll also provide the screenshots if you like, and it is also affordable. This is an enterprise display, which means you have 3 years of warranty for complete. Even if your display get damaged or any of the ports have issues, you can directly call Lenovo ThinkPad support and they will provide an alternative or they will refund you. Now that's all for today. If you really like the product, then you can use the link below to purchase the product. It helps support us as a channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.